a trip to my
Yo guys, I'm G-Boy and Hunger Games, yes, it is Hunger Games. And I'm going to a huge boat with a lot of chests, which I'm going to get the loots from. Just me, I'm gonna kill anyone who touch, and if there's skeletons, oh my god. How am I going to survive this? Oh shit. Ah! Oh my god. Jesus Christ. That was... Oh my god, I blew up the boat. God, open the fucking... Okay, okay. I saw some good loots, Oh my god, I'm stacked already. I'm stacked on stacked. Jesus Christ, I'm stacked. No offense to Jeebus. Dude, I'm gonna have full diamond by the time I leave here. Oh my god, another one. Oh my god. Dear Mother of Teresa. Oh my god. All the loots. I'm afraid that might be someone. I'm not afraid actually. Just double checking if I missed any diamond headplate and diamond boots. Okay, I don't care. I got the best loots. Let's sort out some shit. I can make a... Okay, food. Okay, boots. Baked potatoes. Bam. No, I need that. Don't want that. Don't want that. Okay, that's sick. Oh my god, I'm so stacked. I just need to win the game now. I can have full diamonds so easily now. Oh my god. No one wants to touch me. Oh my god, I got so much loot. Oh, that's epic. Oh, and by the way, the server is PvP me. I don't remember. I'll link it in the description, I think. Are you coming at me? I nearly got full diamond here. I'm close to having full diamond armor. Wow. I just need some ender pearls and I've won the game. God damn it. I'm good at this game, yes. I'm quite good. I don't win all the games, but I'm pretty sick when I do. But let's go kill some people. Deathmatch starts in 1 minute. Okay, this is gonna be a short Hunger Games for you guys. Deathmatch should be interesting though. Seriously, this... Okay, I see someone, I saw a name, He's on this island. Die, bitch! Oh my god, I love it. I love this game. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Don't need that. Oh my god. Fuck. That's fun. I think I saw... I'm not gonna... Oh, okay. Whoa, I thought my Minecraft just crashed there. Crashed. You wanna swag YOLO me out? Oh, I thought so. Whoa, you wanna go me? Do you wanna go me? Do you wanna go me? Come on, give me some hits on you. You're not even hitting me. Whoa. Do you wanna... No? Do you wanna not? Do you wanna just leave? Do you wanna just go away? Dude. Swag, YOLO 360, boom. Boom, shake the room. I'm not even getting... Oh, I'm getting hit a bit. I might back off a bit in a sec. Okay, I might back off in a sec. Round 1, young sir. Round 1. Wanna get me while I'm down? Okay, I was gonna team with him. Am I gonna be a scumbag? Might be a scumbag here. Whoa! Boom. Dude, can you stop being a pussy? Oh my god, whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop with your hacks, stop with your hacks. Stop with your hacks, kid. Oh my god, just die. Stop being a pussy. Oh my god, now I'm getting hit from behind. Stop being a fucking pussy. If this guy gets my loots. Oh my god, no. I don't want to risk anything here. Whoa, okay, 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 okay. Back off. How am I gonna kill someone if they keep fucking... Are they teaming on me? Wow, wow. Okay, okay. Whoa, okay, okay, okay. Stop, stop. Let's just regen. Those guys got me. Don't hit me. Okay, okay, I'm gonna turn around now. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Let's just let them hit it. Oh, fuck. Let's just regen, 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 regen. This is impossible if they're teaming. Okay, what? Oh, there we go. Whew, I thought I was gonna die there. Oh, you're weak. Your squadron's weak. Okay, okay, back off, back off, back off. Your squadron's weak, my friend. Stop fucking with me. Not up for your shit at the moment. Will I kill you right now? Oh, I got him, I got him, I got him! I just need to get the other guy. Oh my god, this is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy. Oh, let me just regen a tiny bit. It's just a 1v1 now. Take the armor that I gave to you. And then I'll take off my pants and that. Jesus, take this armor. That's nice. I guess, yeah, I'll just take off the armor. Don't leave that lure on the floor. I want it. Okay, we're gonna... Come on, 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 come on. Oh, boom! Don't even matter. Whoa, it's raining diamonds. It's raining diamonds. Woo! Woo! Thanks. Oh, kicked, eh? Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh no, that's not how it ending goes, is it? Thanks for watching and tune in next time for more Beast Hunger Games. Peace!